Welcome to part 10 in our series, Starting a Business with ChatGPT, a step-by-step guide. Today, we're delving into a crucial topic, pricing strategies and monetization. Join us as we explore the strategies and methods for pricing your products or services effectively and maximizing revenue. Step 101. Pricing Essentials. Before setting your prices, it's essential to understand the foundational principles. We'll cover pricing strategies, value-based pricing, cost-plus pricing, and more. ChatGPT is here to assist in crafting pricing strategies tailored to your unique business. Step 102. Monetization Models. Dive into the various monetization models, from subscription-based to freemium and pay-per-use. Explore how ChatGPT can help you choose the right model to align with your target market and business goals. Step 103. Competitive pricing. Competitor analysis is crucial for determining the right pricing strategy. Learn how ChatGPT can assist in analyzing your competitors' pricing, allowing you to position your offerings strategically. Step 104. Data-driven decisions. Leverage ChatGPT's data analysis capabilities for pricing decisions. We'll show you how to collect and interpret data to optimize pricing and drive profitability. Step 105. Value proposition. ChatGPT is invaluable for crafting compelling value propositions that resonate with your target audience. We'll guide you on how to use its capabilities to highlight what sets your business apart. Step 106. Dynamic pricing. Explore dynamic pricing strategies and real-time adjustments with ChatGPT. Understand how it can assist in implementing dynamic pricing models for maximum revenue. Step 107. Pricing communication. Craft effective pricing messages with ChatGPT's help. Learn to convey value to your customers through persuasive and clear pricing communication. Step 108. Pricing tiers and segmentation. ChatGPT can assist in segmenting your audience and creating pricing tiers that cater to different customer groups. Understand the importance of this strategy for customer retention. Step 109. Promotion and discounts. Unlock the power of promotional pricing and discounts. We'll guide you on how to utilize ChatGPT to create effective promotional strategies. Step 110. Test and refine. Discover how ChatGPT helps in testing pricing strategies and refining them based on customer responses and market changes. Step 111. Competitive edge. Your pricing strategy can give you a competitive edge. ChatGPT's assistance in competitive analysis is instrumental in achieving this. In the world of business, pricing strategies and monetization are integral components that determine your success. With ChatGPT by your side, you can navigate these aspects effectively, ensure profitability, and stand out in the market. Join our community by hitting that subscribe button and tapping the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content.